Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today I am going to show you how we can make a painting on simple cotton fabric. First we need to stretch the fabric, because this work is a commission work, and he want on time, so I use brown tape to stretch this cloth. Then I start to draw. I use normal HB pencil to draw on this fabric. Try to draw correct because it is hard to erase. Please watch this video from start to end. This is a small video but it going to be very useful for you. After complete the pencil sketch, it is good to use black fabric color to fix this sketch. Use 1 or 2 number brush for this process. When you draw sketch with paint, make sure that your paint color is not too thin, I mean that not use very liquid color. After finished sketch, you can start to fill color. Flat brush is good for filling colors. As my client wanted look like this. Hope you like this video. If you like to see more of our video, please subscribe us.